Every minute, a truckload of plastic enters our oceans. Millions of tons sink beneath the surface, forgotten.
But what if this waste was never waste at all?
Sorting, compressing, preparing for transformation. Because the real magic happens here. A fully automated industrial recycling facility. Every piece scanned by artificial intelligence. Separated by polymer type in milliseconds. Shredded into microscopic fragments. Purified from salt, sand, and ocean residue. Then re-engineered at the molecular level. Broken down and rebuilt stronger than before. Extruded into high-performance composite material.
With sub-millimeter accuracy, robotic arms carve reclaimed material into flawless structural forms.
Designed for durability. A sustainable protective shield is applied, enhancing durability without harming the planet. What was once drifting in the ocean now takes form.
Transformed into a symbol of innovation.
Where sustainability meets sophistication. It becomes the beginning of renewal.
Witness the sunrise over our restored ocean, a beacon of hope for the future.